Hey everyone, it's Chef Brian. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really nice cilantro lime cream sauce using our soft whip pourable topping. So I've got some really nice cilantro and some herbs here. I'm going to just take my knife, kind of chop them up. They're already kind of chopped, but I'm just going to get them a little bit finer. And that is going to kind of release some of the oils and the freshness in the cilantro and the parsley. To put it right into a bowl. I have a nice fresh lime here that I am going to juice. Now I'm just going to add the soft whip into the herbs and the lime with a stir to combine. And there you go, really nice cilantro lime cream sauce using Rich's soft whip.